1959 Mercedes-Benz 220S Ponton. Price: $9,750. Location: Texas. The 1959 Mercedes-Benz 220S Ponton is more than just a classic car. It's a rolling piece of automotive history that captures the elegance and engineering philosophy of the late 1950s. Finished in its original factory color, medium blue Mittelblau, this sedan showcases the refined styling that made the Ponton series so iconic. Its smooth, integrated body design marked a major shift from pre-war styling into a more modern, unified look that still turns heads today. The heart of this vintage machine is a 2.2-litre M180 inline-six engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. This setup delivers a driving experience that feels raw, authentic, and deeply connected to the road. With dual Solex carburetors and classic drum brakes on all 4 wheels, the car retains its original mechanical character, offering enthusiasts a true analog driving sensation that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. The exterior design is where the Ponton truly shines. Chrome bumpers with overriders, a bold front grille, and Hella fog lights all contribute to its distinguished presence. The steel wheels, fitted with original-style Mercedes-Benz hubcaps, complete a look that is both understated and luxurious. This is a car that doesn't scream for attention, but effortlessly earns it wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that reflects craftsmanship and simplicity. The interior features low-back front seats, a spacious rear bench, and elegant wood trim across the dashboard. Classic VDO gauges, an analog clock, and a 2-spoke steering wheel with a chrome horn ring create a nostalgic atmosphere that transports you back to a golden era of motoring. Every detail feels intentional, built with a focus on durability and timeless appeal. It's important to note that this particular example is not currently running and has recently come out of storage. It will require restoration work before it can return to the road. But for the right buyer, that's exactly where the opportunity lies. This is a chance to revive a true classic, to bring back the glory of a Ponton while preserving its original character and charm. The 1959 Mercedes-Benz 220S Ponton represents a perfect entry point into the world of classic car collecting. With its reasonable price, historical significance, and elegant design, it offers incredible value for enthusiasts looking for a rewarding restoration project. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this car has the potential to become something truly special.